Hello guys, the first Android smartphone was the HTC Dream. A decade early, the company was popular in the field. However, they have been hibernating for some years now. Finally, there is a good news for the fans. HTC has filed a patent of a foldable smartphone and they might make a comeback to the smartphone market soon enough. The patent was filed back in 2019 with the help of WIPO, World Intellectual Property Office, and in August 2020 it was published. The patent shows not only the design but how the company plans the folding mechanism. For HTC lovers, this video is going to be a wonderful video, especially the foldable smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's check it out. First of all, this is different than most of the other foldable smartphones. What makes it different is its folding. Unlike other popular foldable phones like Moto Razr, the HTC's foldable phone tends to fold outward. Most of the foldable devices folds inwards. That makes it a pocket-sized phone. However, the HTC has other plans here. This basically shows that the rear of the device might not have additional screen, as the rear will be covered by the front when folded. Secondly, it will be less durable. A foldable phone is more secure when it is folded inwards rather than outward. Hence, HTC is going to take special precautions here. However, the device will look much cleaner as well as eye-catching. The patent gives us a good idea on how the company plans the folding mechanism. The patent clearly shows a bold visible mechanism area that looks solid. The CEO of HTC plans for their mobile business to grow profitably by 2025. Well, if that's the case, then HTC will have to go full in. What does that mean? Well, as you know, currently the smartphone market is in three categories: budget phones, mid-range and flagships. Chinese companies have left no place free in the budget and mid-range market, whereas for the flagship, there are now multiple tech giants producing excellent products like Samsung. However, it might be the best for HTC to relaunch with the new trending products like this foldable. As you know, one of the most popular foldable phones are from Huawei called the Mate X series. But since now they do not have permission to use Google services and operate in the US, HTC can take it as an opportunity. What are your opinions of HTC's comeback? Just let me know in the comment section below. And ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please keep your likes, comments and shares. If visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whatever the latest leaked informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again in another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir, signing off.